Come learn psychology of Bhagavad Gita with me, verse by verse. Duryodhan is again talking to Dronacharya, saying that you, Bhishma, Karna, Kripa, Ashwathama, Vikarna, and the son of Somdatta are all mighty warriors. The psychology behind this verse shows that his authority-seeking behavior kind of reflects dependency. In so many verses, Duryodhan is just seen listing all the elders and the other mighty heroes that are there on his side, which shows that his confidence is coming from the outer dependency and not his own inner strength. In this verse, he also says that there are many others who are all brave, armed, and ready to even die for me. The use of the words many others just shows that he's being generic and pretty vague now, as if he's run out of specifics. In psychology, this is called verbal inflation. It's when you're talking big even though you're feeling small. If you look at the modern psychology of it, this is the classic ego talk speaking. It's kind of like, do you know who my father is, or do you know how many friends I can call in just one call? And it's just basically you're trying to inflate your sense of self by knowing and by showing that you have all these loyal followings. And even though you might genuinely have people who will come and fight for you and die for you, but it is just a way of you masking your inner vulnerability. If you look at it, it's a great thing that you have many loyal people in your life. But the truth here is that your sense of confidence should not come from loyalty and the support you have from others. It has to be from within inside. So if your sense of security comes only from all the loyal people you have and how many people are there to protect you, you need to really sit and ask, what am I avoiding feeling inside? Follow me for more such videos where we will be looking at the psychology of Bhagavad Gita verse by verse.